There will be a lot of cryptocurrency opportunity in the Ton network. And one of these opportunities is taking advantage of MEMECOIN that is built on the Ton network. This is like an opportunity we saw in 2021 where people were buying MEMECOIN that was created on the Binance network, and people make so much money on so many MEMECOIN that was created on the Binance network. The example is SafeMoon, SafeMans, and so many other MEMECOIN that was reigning way back in 2021. Now we have the same opportunity in front of us right now, taking advantage of the Ton MEMECOIN, which is so many MEMECOIN that will be built on the Ton blockchain. In today's video, I'll be walking you through on how to buy MEMECOIN on Dedust with your Ton. Step by step, I will show you how to do it with your mobile phone and at the same time using Tonkeeper. Very simple video, step-by-step process. I'll be showing you all of that in this video. If you love content like this, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the bell notification. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. My name is John Bosco. Welcome to Deep Tutors. For you to be able to buy MEMECOIN that is built on the Ton network with Dedust, you'll be using Tonkeeper. All you need to do is to send your Ton directly to Tonkeeper. As you can see, I have $40 worth of Ton, which is around 7.68 Ton. Now, for you to buy your favorite MEMECOIN, you need to copy the contract address of the MEMECOIN you want to purchase. All you need to do is just go to Desk Screener, or you go to CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko to copy the contract address. Once you do that, head over to browser. Once you click on browser, scroll up, you will locate DeFi. This is it. This is DeFi section. Then you click on Dedust. Once you click on Dedust, you are allowed it to load. As you can see, I've already connected my wallet. If you have not connected your wallet, after sending your Ton, connect your wallet and click on swap. You can see swap right there. You can also swap, you can do pools, you can enter liquidity pool, you can also stake. So click on swap. Now once you click on swap, this is where you swap your Ton to the MEMECOIN you want to trade. Now in this case, personally, I want to swap it to a MEMECOIN called TCAT. Now you click on this button down here where you can see to. The Ton, which is the coin that you have in your wallet, has to be on top, while the coin you want to swap it to would be in the downside. You click on it. In this case, we have scale. Now you have to manually type in the name of the coin you're looking at. You can actually manually check it, or you go to the search section and search for the coin. But in this case, I've already copied the coin I'm looking for, which is TCAT. So I'm going to be pasting the contract address here. I'm pasting it. As you can see, this is the coin I want to buy, TCAT, one of the MEMECOIN that has a lot of upside in the Ton blockchain. So you click on it. So once you click on it, this is where you now put in the amount of Ton you want to use to buy this. In this case, I'll put in 1 Ton. Let's see how many tokens I'll have. You can see I'll be getting 340 Toncat. All I need to do is just to click on swap. As you can see, these are other confirmation you need to do. Click on confirm. You can see it's swapping. Just give it a little bit of time. You just have to slide. You can see what's happening. Let me put in my password. Okay, it's almost done. You can see done. So I've successfully swapped my Ton, which is the 1 Ton that I have. I've swapped it successfully to TCAT, and I'll be receiving almost 340 TCAT. So let's go to my wallet to see if we have received the TCAT. As you can see, my coin has actually reduced, but the coin is not reflecting on my wallet. As you can see, I have the transaction I did, the value that I have has reduced. Let me go back to the browser to see if the coin is there already. I don't know why it has not reflected, but this is just how to do it. Very simple. Go back to swap, click here. Let me paste the contract address. Probably is confirming on the blockchain. It shows that it has not reflected. Probably I'll need to give it some time so that it can actually confirm on the blockchain. I need to give it some time. So this is how simple it is for you to use Ton to buy MEMECOIN on the Dedust. Okay, you can see right there, we have it. You can see this is TCAT. This is the value that I have, 340. You can see how simple it is. So if you face such challenges, just give it a little bit of time. You will see it in your wallet. This is how simple it is for you to use Ton to buy your meme coin in your favorite exchange, which is Dedust, so you can actually make some money trading meme coin in this bull market. Thank you for watching this video. Click like, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and turn on the bell notification.